Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC or desktop installation. And in today's video, I will show you how to install WeChat on your Windows PC or laptop without any stress and start using your WeChat app on your PC. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to open up your browser. Then you want to make sure you navigate to your address bar right here. Go ahead and type in WeChat and then go ahead and hit enter. And it's going to take you to the official web page of WeChat. Go ahead and come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on the first result. That is WeChat.com. Now, connecting 1 billion people with calls, chat, and more, then you have different options right here. Now, if you are using Windows, you just to make sure that you click on Windows right here so you can see Windows download. So go ahead and click on Windows. Let's go to redirect you right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and simply download it from the web right here. Click on download. And this is the app installer is going to pump up right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on save. Just like so. Then go ahead and check your download preview right here. Then you can see that the file is being successfully downloaded without any stress. What we want to do now is to run the app installer and successfully install the WeChat app on our Windows PC. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and minimize my browser. Then I want to go ahead and make sure I bring out my folder. I have to make sure I navigate to download folder right here. Then we have the app installer right here. So this is the WeChat app installer. What we want to do here is to go ahead and press enter key on our keyboard to open the app installer. Just like so. Now you have WeChat app successfully installed on your PC. You can see the desktop icon right here. Now for you to open the app, just go ahead and click on the icon, press enter key on your keyboard, and the app is going to load up the interface. Just like so. Then you will need to scan the QR code from your WeChat on your phone in order to log in successfully into the app on your PC. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about WeChat on our PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.